young explorers. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey to discover the amazing secrets of the pyramids. Are you ready to unlock some mysteries? Let's dive in. Did you know that the most famous pyramids are in Egypt? Yes, these giant triangular structures were built thousands of years ago. But why were they built? Well, they were made as tombs for the pharaohs, the kings of ancient Egypt. Now, let's talk about how they were built. Imagine stacking up more than 2 million stone blocks. Each block is so heavy, almost as heavy as a small car. People back then didn't have modern tools or machines, so how did they do it? They used sledges to drag the stones and built ramps to stack them up high into the shape of a pyramid. It's like building the biggest sandcastle, but way harder. Inside a pyramid, there are chambers and tunnels. The most important room is called the burial chamber, where the mummy of the pharaoh was placed. To keep thieves away, the Egyptians made secret passages and traps. Yes, real-life traps like in adventure stories. Now you might wonder, why are pyramids shaped like triangles? This shape is super stable and points towards the sky, which was very important to the Egyptians. They believed it helped the pharaoh's soul climb to the heavens to join the gods. Even today, scientists and archaeologists are still exploring pyramids to uncover new secrets. They use cool tech like robots and lasers to peek inside without disturbing anything. Who knows what mysteries are still waiting to be discovered? So next time you build with blocks, try making your own pyramid. Think about how you design secret rooms and what treasures you might protect inside. Thanks for joining me on this adventure into the past. Don't forget to keep exploring and asking questions about the amazing world around us. See you next time, explorers!